Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making some blueberry raspberry fluffy pancakes, and these are my ingredients. And yeah, so first I'm gonna use 1 egg because I want them to be like super duper uber fluffy, right? So I'm gonna just crack this egg. This is a jumbo egg, by the way, in case you were wondering. This is a jumbo egg, and I'm gonna just whisk this real quick. Just whisk that. Then we have some earth balance butter. Me personally, I do like to put some butter in it. However, I want to melt the butter, so I'm going to put some of this in a pan so it could melt. And I'm putting the butter inside of a pan to melt using the Aunt Jemima pancake batter. I said butter. So I'm not going to use a lot because guess what? I'm only cooking for me. So I think that should be enough. Our butter is sizzling. This is our butter. 2 seconds. I'm gonna pour that in there. This is the almond milk that I like to use. This is the unsweetened one. This one tastes really good actually, so I'm gonna use this one. And then because the other one they didn't have in the supermarket, of course. I'm gonna pour while we whisk. So I'm gonna wait till this gets hot. I'm gonna do 1 pancake at a time because I like using the middle, because this is where the fire is. So the middle part is where I like to put my pancake. So now I feel that the pan is getting hot. Of course I'm not gonna put my hand in the pan. So I'm gonna go in with this butter right here. Again, this is the same butter that we put inside our pancake batter. And to see if it's actually, you know, hot, we're gonna see how fast the butter melts. So now I'm gonna put do my little pancake right in the middle. We're gonna make them big. I want to make big pancakes. They don't have to be the best size. I'm gonna do 1 pancake for you guys. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna put some blueberries. Do you see that? Yeah, I'm gonna put some blueberries. And I'm going to just drop them. I saw Monique do this. And this is what I'm gonna do. I like mine to be crispy around the edges, so I might leave mine a little bit longer. And make sure you have a spatula. You have the bubbles popping up. I'm excited. I haven't had blueberry pancakes in ages. Do we got syrup? Go around the bottom first to make sure it's movable. But we're gonna still let it rock out a little bit more. That's exactly how I wanted it. Now the blueberries are cooking through and through. Hey. See how that looks? It's nice and juicy. We're going to let it finish. We're going to grab all the butter from around the pan. I love grabbing the butter from around the pan. Because you know, we need all the butter. We need all the butter. All the butter. Now, we're going to add some more butter and we're going to do another one. Now that you have the pan all nice and hot and fire, right? It's going to be so quick to make your other pancakes. My mother always taught me that. This is my finished product. I hope you all enjoyed. If you try out this recipe, please let me know. Write me on Instagram. Follow my social medias. Everything will be in the description box down below. I'm about to tear this up. Of course, I have the Aunt Jemima's syrup as well. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And yeah, laters.